area clear. Let's put that there. Blue prop! And starter engaged.
Okay. Beverly Tower information, Juliet 1200 to Zulu weather, wind variable at 3, visibility 10. Sky condition, ceiling 6000 broken, temperature 172.15, altitude 3011. IFR arrivals can expect a visual approach, landing and departing runway 16. No Thames West ramp construction, for parking contact non-landing gear on 122.85. Advise on initial contact, give Juliet.
Alright. Beverly ground, Cessna 1418 Victor, ready to taxi with Juliet.
Cup 405, you can watch for Centurion traffic 10 miles west of the field, eastbound, descending out at 2,000 feet for a right base entry, runway 16. 1418 Victor, ground, runway 16, taxiway Bravo.
16 Victor, Bravo, 18 Victor. Alright, my brakes are good, your controls? My controls. My brakes are good, your controls. My controls. Should I just go left or straight out? I'll go straight. Either one. Yeah. Alright, I'll go ahead and ask right now. Should I ask for a straight out or a right turn?
Just straight out.
Alright. Beverly Tower, Cessna 1418 Victor, holding short 16, ready for takeoff, straight out departure.
It's 1418 Victor, Beverly Tower, runway 16, straight out departure approved, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 1618 Victor. Alright, you want to leave that open or?
I'll close it.
Alright. The green. Airspace alive. Oh, beautiful. It's very calm. My house is like right on the line of the Bravo. Is it really? Yeah, it's like right on the line, so I gotta contact them. Well, I'm like, right there? Like, yeah, like right on it. We see all the planes coming over every day, going for Logan.
First tower, 872 requesting left downwind full stop. 872 is clear left.
See that blue water tower over there? That's where my house is over there.
Traffic information, Lima is current 1190 6 altitude 3011.
And Beverly Tower over 18 Victor, request frequency change over to Skyways.
Just 18 Victor, frequency change is approved.
Thank you.
November 2, hold short of runway 22 right.
Boston Skyways, Cessna 1418 Victor, airborne out of Beverly with a request.
November 18 Victor, Boston Skyways.
We'd like a photo flight over Swampscott and Nahant at 1,000 feet.
I see your type aircraft, November 18 Victor.
We are Cessna 172.
Roger. Squawk 5160.
Block 5160, 18 Victor.
November 18 Victor, radar contact. Over Salem, cleared into the Boston Bravo airspace, crossing altimeter 3011. What altitude should be working at?
Roger, cleared into the Bravo 3011. We'd like to be at 1,000 feet, 18 Victor.
November 18 Victor, Roger, proceed as requested.
Roger. Alright, so we're cleared into Boston's airspace, and we're cleared to go over Swampscott, right?
Triple 420, do you not have access behind the main aircraft that pulled off at November 2?
This is the Salem Beverly Bridge right here.
United 780, turn left on runway 4 left, then turn right at November, and you can hold on November between runway 22 right and actually you can turn right on Mike.
And you can take pictures whenever you want.
Yeah, cellular devices are approved on this flight.
Yeah. Alright, so we're Essex Street is over here, I'll show you. Here are the railroad tracks with the T.
Cactus 30, turn runway 22 right, line up Fenway.
You know that big quarry?
Yeah.
It's right over there if you look over to your right once we go up a little more.
Hard to miss.
Yeah. Alright, so this is my neighborhood right there. I'm gonna do some circles over them. And here's my neighborhood right there. See these 4 white houses right there? See the people out there looking? No. Right here, these 4 white houses.
Skyways, 9KC.
Look at 9 Kilo Charlie Skyways.
Lifting off Granite Link, southbound out of the zone.
Look at 9 Kilo Charlie, what's your clear to operate the Boston Bravo airspace as requested?
Wait, 9KC.
Right there.
Triple 420,
Oh, with the cul-de-sac?
Yeah.
Oh, which one's yours?
It's the one with the big yard. See that like pink tree over there? It's the one with the big yard. Let me circle over again.
Who's in there?
Cactus 30, runway 22 right,
My
clear
mom
for
and
takeoff.
my dad.
Your dad's at the
Oh yeah,
airport.
it's my mom and my neighbor Terry.
Oh.
American AC 97, I'll start runway 22 right, line up and white.
I was gonna say your dad moved pretty quick.
Yeah, I know, yeah. I'll wave when I get over.
Look at 9 Kilo Charlie, verify you're leaving the Bravo airspace south to the south.
That's us in about, yeah, that's us right now.
Look at 9 Kilo Charlie, Roger. Squawk 1200, frequency change approved.
Have a great day, we'll see you later.
Okay.
I'll do another circle, and we'll go head over to Nahant. That was just to advise, 18 Victor is going over to Nahant.
American 1897, contact loss of departure.
He doesn't care. Is American.
November 18 Victor, and remain about no farther south of the tip of Nahant. We are landing on runway 27 at Logan.
Understand, 18 Victor.
No further south?
Yeah. So I'll just go to the tip over there and then swing it around.
19 miles turn 11206, runway 27, clear to land. Chaka 4991, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Alright, yeah. You've been out here before, right?
Yeah.
Air 19, cross runway 22 right, contact ground point 9 as you do.
No, here's Big Nahant right over here, where all your friends live.
JetBlue 775, contact loss of departure.
JetBlue 775, that's the Aruba flight. JetBlue 775.
JetBlue 1322, Boston Star 11206, runway 27, clear to land.
I went to a prom at that building right there.
Boston 18 Victor, traffic, set Embraer 190, 8 mile final from runway 270, setting through 2,600.
We got that Embraer 190 in sight, 1418 Victor.
Embraer 18 Victor, maintaining visual separation from that traffic.
We'll maintain 18 Victor.
Level 1322, traffic 2 o'clock, 4 miles, Cessna 172, circling at 1,100, has you in sight, maintaining visual separation with you.
Like, well, we don't...
415, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Good for that plane.
Level 685, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
They just told the JetBlue plane to look for us.
That's cool.
Boston 18 Victor, next arrival turning inbound behind the Embraer 190 is the Embraer 170, about 6 miles to your east, southeast, now descending through 2,800.
Got him.
We're looking, 18 Victor. You see one? Let me turn around.
Oh, that guy.
He's behind us. You just tell him we have him.
We got him in sight, 18 Victor.
Boston 18 Victor, maintain visual separation from that traffic.
We'll go 18 Victor. We'll go over Marblehead now. There's so many boats at Marblehead. Remember when we were coming back from Provincetown, we saw all those boats? Marblehead, we flew right over.
685, right, clear for takeoff.
A little to the left of the Lynn Parkway. I want to see if I can see my uncle's house.
Delta 1701, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
This is Lynn Shore Drive right over here.
Alright, where are you? Ah, there he is.
Got him? Take a picture, yeah. I'm gonna straighten it out.
Nice.
I'm gonna go over my house one more time. This is, oh, let me go over here.
Triple 685, contact class of departure.
This Clark School right here.
November 18 Victor, will you be leaving the Bravo airspace bound to the northeast?
Yeah, we are 18 Victor.
November 18 Victor, Roger, you'll be leaving in about half a mile. Leaving the Boston Bravo airspace, 11200, radio service terminated, frequency change approved.
Radio service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. 18 Victor, thanks for your help today.
Good day. 1701, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Is your house
Chaz 7681, Boston Tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
I like how you know where my house is, but I have no idea where it is.
Triple 1322, turn right next taxiway, hold short of runway 22 right.
That's our school.
That's some wing turbulence right there. Oh, you want to see Staples? See that big dome right there? That's Staples. Alright, so let's go over and hit over Marblehead. See all those boats over there?
Oh my god.
Look at that.
4663 Boston Tower, caution wake turbulence, wind 1205, runway 27, clear to land.
I'm gonna make a right turn. My cousin lives over there on those long streets. Look at that, that's ridiculous. Look how many boats are there.
There's always a ton of boats in there. Right here and then right in there.
Yeah.
Always tons.
I'm gonna go over there. Alright.
6 taxiway Bravo. I think it's a good day for it, man.
Oh yeah.
Here's the yacht clubs.
Yep.
The Eastern, I think there's one called the Boston, and the Corinthian. The 3 altimeter 3011. IFR arrivals can expect visual approach, landing and departing runway 16. Now temps west ramp construction. For parking, contact non-Atlantic Air on 122.85. Advise on initial contact, you have Lima.
We
can stay down around traffic pattern altitude 1,000.
Yeah, let me get down there.
Belly Tower information, Lima 1400 to Zulu weather, wind 190 at 6, visibility 10. Sky conditions 6,000 scattered. Temperature 21, 2.13, altimeter 3011. IFR arrivals can expect visual approach, landing and departing runway 16. Airport attempts west ramp construction.
Is right there. Alright, yeah, let me call. Beverly Tower, Cessna 1418 Victor over Marblehead, inbound to land with Lima.
1418 Victor, Beverly, intro right down, runway 16.
Right down 1416, 20 Victor. Okay, now we're all set.
Beverly Tower, 8234 Delta is with you over Plum Island, inbound for touch and goes, runway 16 with Lima.
8234 Delta, Beverly, intro left base, runway 16, report 2 up.
2 mile left base for runway 16.
Beverly Tower, Cessna 1418 Victor, midfield, full stop.
This is 18 Victor, clear land.
Clear land, 20 Victor. Where are we at now? Almost at 0.7, yeah. Alright. Alright, beam the numbers, carb heat on. Look for the flaps.
Beverly Tower, this is Skylane 92207 with you.
Skylane 92207, Beverly.
Yeah, 207 approximately 12 to the north-northeast, like to land with information, Lima.
That's Billy's.
207, squawk it in. Skylane 207, Roger, you have Cherokee traffic. At about your 930 position and a mile also inbound to the field indicating 2,400. Plan on following that traffic inbound.
Alright, 207 has traffic in sight, I'll pull in behind him.
3234 Delta, you have Cessna traffic off your right rear quarter by about a mile indicating 1,900.
234 Delta is looking for traffic.
1,900, huh?
Yeah, Beverly Tower, Warrior 8119 Hotel, holding short 16, ready for takeoff, left hand turn out.
8119 Hotel, Beverly Tower, hold short of runway 16, landing traffic.
Landing traffic in sight, we will hold short, 1619 Hotel. Hey, 234 Delta had that traffic.
234 Delta.
Alright, we got 30 degrees of flaps, we won't go anymore.
You won't go anymore?
I guess I'll go full.
No, just curious, the reasoning.
I mean, I never go 40 degrees in this plane.
Oh, my chair is moving.
Yeah.
Atlantic level, hold your position.
Job.
Pistol 1418 Victor, favorable left turn, correction, right turn to Charlie, taxi to parking, 1 on the ground, 0.6.
Right turn Charlie, taxi to parking, ground point 6, 1 hotel, thank you.
Atlantic Mobile, proceed by Alpha, hold shot at runway 16.
Hold short, 16 at Alpha.
Cherokee 8119 Hotel, runway 16, left turn approved, clear for takeoff.